Hello! I've got a quiz for you today.
Great!
What's the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest!
That's right. What's the biggest ocean in the world?
It's the Pacific Ocean.
That's right. What's the fastest animal in the world?
A mouse!
No, a mouse isn't the fastest animal. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah.
No, a mouse! Look! Ha ha ha! Now Amy is the fastest student in the class.
Hello, grade 4. Today we're going to be on Unit 9, Lesson 2. Unit 9, Lesson 2. Grammar. But first, let's talk about some of the new vocabulary that we learned before. What is it? Lake. And that one? Mountain. That? Waterfall. And that? Ocean. Wide. Deep. High. And I think you can put these in sentences, so let's just do it really quickly. The lake is big. I go fishing in the lake. Mountain. I will climb the mountain. I like to climb mountains. Waterfall. I will slide down the waterfall. The waterfall is beautiful. Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The ocean is big. Or putting them together, the ocean is deep. The ocean is deep. When you have a lot of water going down, deep. High. The building is high. The mountain is high. Wide, opposite of narrow, wide. The river is wide. The path is wide. The road is wide. You should be able to do that now. Okay, coming over here to listen to the grammar for today, talking about comparing things and superlative. Don't worry about the word superlative. Don't even think about it. It doesn't matter. English speakers don't even know what that is. Just know that when you're comparing things, we always use than when comparing things. I am taller than her. She is shorter than me. He is smarter than her. Okay? We use than. As well as ER for our adjective. So looking in the book, a cheetah is faster than a mouse. Take fast. Just add an ER. Faster than a mouse. Faster than. Making more sentences. An ocean is wider than a lake. Take the adjective wide. Wider than. Let's take this sentence. I am tall. Now let's make this compare to someone that is short. How can you do that? He is taller than her. He is taller than her. called comparative, comparing things. Coming on down, taking fast and adding EST. Fastest. This is that superlative word I'm talking about. This is the best of all. He is the fastest of all the boys in the class. He is the tallest of all the boys in the class. Just the most high, the greatest, the greatest. What's the fastest animal in the world? What's the fastest animal in the world? Fastest? Meaning, what is the most fast animal? The cheetah. The fastest animal in the world is the cheetah. The Pacific Ocean is the widest ocean in the world. Adding EST. So we talked about comparing things. Now let's think of some more sentences about superlative. Okay? How about can you make a superlative sentence about Vietnamese food? How about Vietnamese food is the greatest food in the world. Vietnamese food is the greatest food in the world. Vietnamese food is the tastiest food in the world. Make a superlative sentence about, how about the SH motorbike? SH motorbike, very popular motorbike in Vietnam. How could you make a superlative sentence about that? The SH is what? Greatest, fastest, expensivest. No, not expensivest. No. The SH is the greatest bike in Vietnam. The SH is the prettiest bike in Vietnam. The SH is the biggest bike in Vietnam. So again, that's superlative, making something the greatest, the best. Let's take the same word, SH motorbike, and compare it, using it to compare. So I'm not going to write motorbike, just SH for short, okay? The SH, remember, compare, not superlative compare. He is taller than her. He is smarter than her. The SH is the SH is more expensive than the wave. The SH is more expensive than the wave. Or, talking about the size. The SH is also bigger than the wave, right? The SH is bigger than the wave. is bigger than the wave. Again, adding ER and then to compare. All right, one more. Can you think of one more? Just using something we know? SH. Some people would say the SH is many sentences. You say the SH is prettier than the wave, right? So again, understand the difference between comparing things and when something is the best, how to use them. The SH is the greatest motorbike in the world, superlative. The SH is faster than the wave, something like that. The SH has, yeah. So looking at your book.
Listening 82. Listen and repeat. A cheetah is faster than a mouse. An ocean is wider than a lake. What's the fastest animal in the world? The fastest animal in the world is the cheetah. The Pacific Ocean is the widest ocean in the world.
All right, good job. Let's do more practice with that. So coming on down to part 3, look at the picture. We have 3 people running. Number 1 says, Nam is the tallest boy. Nam is the tallest boy. Is that true or false? True, right? He's the tallest. So on number 1, is that sentence about superlative or comparing? Nam is the tallest boy. It's superlative, right? Because EST, he's the tallest. If they said Nam is taller than Bao, then it would be comparative. We're talking about superlative, EST, he's the tallest. Number 2, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Du is faster than Nam. Looks like Nam is ahead because Du's behind. So, is that true or false? It's false, right? But now talk to me about the sentence. Is that comparative or superlative? It's comparative, right? He is faster, ER, than Nam. The sentence is false. 3, Bao is the fastest boy. Bao is the fastest boy. Superlative or comparative? Fastest. Superlative, right? Because he's in front of everyone. So true. Number 4, Nam is slower than Du. Nam is slower than Du. Well, first of all, we know that's false, right? Because he's in front. But is it comparative or superlative? Comparative, right? Slower than, slower than, comparative. Number 5, Bao is taller than Dewey. Bao is taller than Du. Looks like, yes, true. Comparative or superlative? Taller than, comparative again. Number 6, Du is the shortest boy. Du is the shortest boy. First, we can see that's true. And now tell me, are we doing comparative or superlative? Shortest, superlative, right? Because he's the shortest of all. All 3 people, he's the shortest. the most of something. Come down to number 4, and let's do more practice with comparing things in superlative. On part 4, in the example, the USA is bigger than Vietnam. The country has more square meters, square feet, square miles than Vietnam. So the USA is bigger than Vietnam. Comparative or superlative? Comparative, right? ER, bigger than. Comparative. All right, now see if you can do the rest, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own before I help you. Write down the correct words. Mount Everest is the mountain in the world. To do superlative, right? Is the highest mountain in the world. Number 3, cars are, we're comparing two things. Cars and bikes. Comparing two different things. Cars are faster than bikes. Comparative. And 4, grapes are, again, just like bikes and cars, grapes and apples. Compare. Grapes are smaller. Grapes are smaller than apples. And number 5, Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. Comparative or superlative? Superlative, deepest. It's the most deep. Mice are than cheetahs. Comparing again, we have mice and we have cheetahs. Mice are slower. Slower, comparing. Mice are slower than cheetahs. Okay, I think we have some more time left, so let's practice that more. Superlative and comparative, all right? Let's take the word quick. Move quick. Make a superlative sentence with quick. He is the quickest. He is the quickest boy in the school. Now make a comparative sentence with quick. Comparative sentence with quick. Let's have a boy and a girl. Make a comparative sentence with a boy and a girl and quick. She is quicker than him. He is quicker than him. Changing these to make them comparative or superlative. How about we take something like pretty. Let's take the adjective pretty. Same thing. Do a superlative and then do a comparative. Let's start with superlative. She is the prettiest girl in the school. She is the prettiest girl in the city. Prettiest. Now let's do comparative. Yeah, pretty, same thing, pretty. She is prettier than her. She is prettier than her sister. Comparative, superlative.
Which animal is the fastest?
Turtle, 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 turtle. I'm a turtle.
And what goes faster than a turtle?
Snake, 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 snake. I'm a snake.
And what's faster than a snake?
Hippo, 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 hippo. I'm a hippo.
And what's faster than a hippo?
Ostrich, 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 ostrich. I'm an ostrich.
And even faster.
Cheetah, 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 cheetah. I'm a cheetah.
Oh, that cheetah looks awfully hungry.
Cheetah, cheetah, I'm gonna eat ya. Cheetah, cheetah, I'm gonna eat ya. Cheetah, cheetah, I'm gonna eat ya. Cheetah, cheetah, I'm gonna eat ya.
Alright, practice these more at your house, knowing the difference between making something the most superlative or comparing two things, adding ER and then. Alright, bye-bye.